Video, we'll go ahead and talk about how to set up a schedule for a provider or a team. So let's start with the team. So you will go to a team member and click on schedule, and from here you are able to add all of their working hours. So first you'll gather from everyone when they are able to work all together, and then you'll go ahead and come to schedule and pick the days that they could work. So if you go ahead and click on Sunday and apply, you'll go ahead and pick up that Sunday for that specific location. Again, remember that you must do this per location, since different locations might have different working hours. Like this team possibly might be working location A in the mornings, location B later on in the day. So again, you will come here, you would select the date. If you want to edit the whole entire schedule, meaning all Sundays going forward, you will go ahead and click on Add Working Hour. It would get selected as it would come from today, so it would pick up the very next Sunday, which in this case today is Sunday, so it should still show as today's dates and going forward. Now you could go ahead and select whatever the working hours for this team is, so it could be 8 a.m. to, let's say, 5 p.m. and then this will allow you to control these working hours and set them to occur every week, every 2 weeks, 3 or 4. We'll do it every week. So we'll click save, and today's the 18th, so it started from today, and it will go ahead and show you these every single week. Now you can go ahead and continue doing that for every single day. Now if a team tells you that they want to start, let's say, a month from now, you would pick today's date, which would be the 18th, and you would go ahead and set it for April the 18th, and no end date. Now we will click apply, add working hours, and let's say we could do 9 a.m. here to 3 p.m. and we'll do this every week again from that date. So add it in from next month, and it's going to show the next available Monday, and then going forward every week from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Then you could also do everything per specific date. So if you see a Monday that we've added and you want to change it, you could go ahead and even delete this one, and it will go ahead and delete that working hour for that day, making that person available. And if you were to do this to the provider, you can go ahead and click on the provider themselves, go on schedule, and perform the same exact things. So now if you set something up for Mondays will be those days that they are available. It looks like this person already has a schedule set up. So once you click on Monday, it will show you all of the upcoming Mondays, and you could see when they are working. Now you could also do 2 working hours. For example, if someone is working from, let's say, 8 to 1 o'clock p.m., 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., and then they have to take a break. Let's say they have to pick up a child from school or something like that, need to be gone for 3 hours. They could go ahead and set up a second set of working hours from, let's say, 3 to 6 p.m. or 8 p.m., and then there will be a little break in scheduling. Okay, so that is basically how you set up your schedule or a provider or team schedule and their working hours.